Have you ever walked through the forest and seen a tree lying down? Maybe it looked dead. Maybe it looked like it had been forgotten. Maybe you wondered why nobody came to clear it away. After all, if a tree falls over, isn't its story over? Well, what if I told you that for many trees, falling over is actually the beginning of a new story? A story filled with insects, birds, mushrooms, plants, animals, and even brand new trees. Today, we're going to explore the secret life of fallen trees. And by the end of this video, you're probably never going to look at a fallen tree the same way again. Let's begin. Chapter 1. When a giant falls. Trees can live for a very long time. Some stand for decades, some for centuries. They face storms, wind, rain, drought, disease, and time. But no tree stands forever. One day, a giant falls. To us, it can look sad. A tree that once reached high into the sky now lies quietly on the forest floor. But nature does not see this as the end. Nature sees change. Because the moment a tree falls, a new process begins. The forests start to gather around it. Tiny creatures arrive. Fungi begin to spread. Moss takes the hold. Moisture settles into the wood. The fallen tree has not become useless. It has changed its role. It no longer reaches up to the light. Now it begins supporting life from the ground. Chapter 2. The First Visitors. The first visitors are usually small. So small, most people never notice them. Beetles, ants, woodlice, spiders, all searching for food, shelter, and safety. To us, this may look like an old fallen log, but to them, it is a hidden home. The cracks become shelter, the soft wood becomes food, and deep inside, tiny tunnels begin to appear. From the outside, the tree may seem still. But look closer. Life has already arrived, and the secret world of the fallen tree has begun. Chapter 3. The Forest Recycle. Now come some of the most important workers in the forest, fungi. We often see them as mushrooms, but most of the fungus is hidden, threading quietly through the wood and soil. Wood is strong. It holds its nutrients tightly, but fungi know how to unlock them. Slowly, they break the wood down. And as the tree softens, its nutrients return to the forest, feeding moss, feeding insects, feeding the roots of nearby trees. Nothing is wasted here. The fallen tree is giving back everything it collected during its life. If we could shrink down to the size of an ant, this fallen tree would look completely different. The bark becomes cliffs, the cracks become caves, the tunnels become roads. A single fallen tree can become a hidden city. Spiders hunt in the shadows. Woodlice hide in damp corners. And tiny creatures move through spaces most of us never see. To them, the tree is not dead. It is shelter. It is safety. It is home. A quiet city on the forest floor, full of life hidden in plain sight. And perhaps that's the quiet lesson of a fallen tree. Even when something appears to be finished, life could still be moving through it. A fallen tree is not a failure. It is shelter. It is food. It's a nursery for the next generation. In the soft moss, in the hidden insects, in the fungi working quietly beneath the bark, the forest is still breathing. And long after the tree has already fallen, it still continues to give life back to the forest it once belonged to. So when a tree falls, don't see the ending. Look closer, and you might see one of the forest's most beautiful beginnings.